Yo, first order of the day, we've got a 7-Eleven. This is gonna be $7 going just under 2 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
I really should have cracked the window there because now my car's gonna reek of cheesy fried taquitos from 7-Eleven, and I can't say that's what I've been craving. Easy order though, and we got the next one right away. This is Jack in the Box. I believe it said $16 going 9 miles. I really love it when they just lie about when they're open.
Good morning, can I help you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
It says leave on the table outside of gate. Thank you. I could do that. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 and change going about 5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Next up, we've got a Burgerville. This one is going to be $7 going less than 2 miles. Hello. I gotta pick up for Cameron. I don't know if that's it down there.
Give me 1 second.
Yep, no problem.
There you go.
Thank you. Mirador. Love that. This might be my guy. What's the name for it?
Cameron.
Cameron, there you are.
Thanks, Brad.
Have a good one. Okay, I'll take that. In their instructions, it was saying to go to like the 7th floor and like had a door code and everything, so more than fine with meeting you at the front door out on the street. Shout outs to you. Just got the next order. We've got a Chick-fil-A, $8 and change going about 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Got it.
I got it.
Have a good day. I think I've been sitting here for like 10, maybe 15 minutes. No orders. No good orders. We finally got an order. This is going to be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $8 going 4 miles, only one item.
Thank you. Someone will be with you shortly.
And then just a scribble on that line for me. Oh, apparently that was all base pay. No tip on that one. That's kind of surprising, actually. Got the next order pretty much right away. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $9 going 5 miles, 3 items. Oh, that's really cool. I like that a lot. Canceled as soon as I was pulling up to the light for it too. That's really great. Thank you. Thank you for wasting my time. Got the next order. This is going to be Chick-fil-A, $12 going about 8 miles.
For you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $11 going 2 miles, 2 items.
give you a plastic bottle?
Yes. And then just a scribble on that line for me.
So you always specifically order a plastic bottle. They always give me a glass one. I'm like,
Can I ask why? Just curiosity. Why plastic?
just easier to deal with.
Fair enough. I just didn't know if there was a difference. I wasn't going to mention it, but they were really adamant about having that plastic bottle, and I still don't know why, really. Like, they messaged me as soon as I started shopping for it. They also had it in their directions, like where it says leave at door or hand to customer or all that stuff. And then she mentioned it again when I was actually giving it to her. Who knows? Next up, we've got a stack. Looks like going to two different people. We've got an alcohol pickup and Starbucks. This is going to be $13 going 7 miles.
Thank you. Someone will be with you shortly.
ID, please.
Mickey. Oh, you got to see Mickey? Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse.
That's my order for Ashley. Thank you.
Thank you.
And then just a scribble in that box for me. I haven't gotten an order in forever, so I'm just gonna call it. Current time is 10:28. Current total, we are at 79, but I am still waiting on the tips for those two last orders. So that should probably bring it up to around 89, if not 90. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.